What's going on, guys? Today, we're going to take a look at what's going on in the overall crypto market, see what's going on with Bitcoin, as well as overall news that is kind of appearing in the markets. Let's jump into it in the video. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on X if you're watching over there as well. And let's get into it here. So, what happened in the crypto market today? Let's talk about the biggest news articles that are basically going on. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has called out for the United States government to potentially start using blockchain-based treasury. So what would that mean? Well, we know that Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency, led by Elon Musk, has been auditing a lot of the spending for the U.S. government, and this is prompting calls from crypto industry leaders for greater transparency in government spending through blockchain technology. And we've heard this quite a few times in previous scenarios. Like the savings represent just about 1.8% of Musk's goal to reduce U.S. government spending by up to $2 trillion. And blockchain could offer a lot more transparent of a foundation, where things could be stored on the blockchain for basically for transparency. You or I or anybody who has basically an internet connection would be able to log in, see what's going on, where the government is spending their funds, and it would reduce a lot of the trust. The trust that is in the government right now is probably at an all-time low. They found numerous different agencies that they are funding, and with the taxpayers funded dollars, and they're sending it overseas to all these different companies. Some of them are we've never even heard of. Some of them are actually wondering, if the funds even made it there. And this would reduce a lot of those trust issues. So blockchain could offer that to the U.S. government. Would it happen? In my opinion, I don't know. And here's why I say that: because not everybody trusts the blockchain, including the community. People who don't know anything about cryptocurrency, some of them automatically think it's a scam. And I think what we really need to do is foster some trust first with the overall people who are paying taxes, and everybody kind of should understand how it works first. And in my opinion, the only way we're going to do that is through maybe like some sort of a government. I don't want to say regulations, but some sort of uh, foundation for the cryptocurrency industry. So I think that that's what is going to have to happen first, even before that this gets introduced, in my opinion. And having a government treasury could also help that as well. With digital assets, like Trump is talking about. So, are we near the bottom in the market? The market's been crashing. It's been a hell of a ride so far. There's a lot of people that are frustrated. Some people are even leaving cryptocurrency because they just don't know what to expect. And a lot of it is bringing up a lot of emotions. People are panic selling, and the market could be nearing a local bottom just because of that. Citing extended negative funding rates and widespread bearish sentiment, says one venture capitalist, says it's often the best signal. So that is actually something that I've been noticing as well. There is a potential here for a near-term rebound. Quality altcoins have retraced long-term trend lines, wiping out most of the gains that we saw in Q4 of 2024. We're kind of back to the basement prices, so to speak. I actually did a video on that the other day on the channel, talking about, you know, is this, is the market's kind of scary right now. Like people don't know what to expect, and that really hinders a lot of these altcoins that we are seeing. We're not getting, altcoin season. Ethereum isn't performing up to standards like it normally does. There's just a ton going on, right? Total cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap is probably not helping, not listed, sorry, but CoinMarketCap has a running total of how many cryptocurrencies are created. They're not necessarily listed on CoinMarketCap, but we are nearing 11 million unique offerings. So that's kind of overcrowding the market, so to speak. 11 million unique digital assets is having a negative toll on the markets, in my opinion. And sites like Pump Fun and things like that, where people are just mass producing coins, starting them up, getting a little bit of liquidity, and then just kind of rugging them. And it's just not a good look. It's not, it spreads funds out over too many cryptocurrencies, and really what it is taking away from really good projects, in my opinion. So that's just my opinion. Other people may think differently, but analyst Ali Martinez has predicted that the oversaturation in cryptocurrencies might cancel out the anticipated rotation of capital into altcoins, and the sustained price rally known as altcoin season. And we know that that has not occurred yet, where normally we would have some more positive price movement in altcoins by now. So, does that mean altcoins canceled? In my opinion, I don't think so. I think that we're eventually going to see that. It's just going to take some time, in my opinion. I think right now we're going through an unprecedented time with Bitcoin and with crypto, where the U.S. government is adopting a lot of cryptocurrency. Well, I shouldn't say adopting. Yeah, adopting. They're talking about having a digital reserve for the U.S. Treasury. They're talking about regulation and foundation for basically for cryptocurrency to operate in the United States. And there's a ton of states as well that are adopting, Bitcoin maybe as a currency, so to speak. So there's a just a ton of information out there right now. There's a lot of speculation, and this is an unprecedented time. We don't have anything to fall back on to see kind of where this is going to go. It's something that we just kind of have to get through, right? And that might mean that this cycle might end up being a little bit different. However, I don't know. In a way, I kind of welcome it. It's giving me more opportunity to load up on a lot of high quality altcoins that I've been accumulating over the last couple of years. And I mean, really, that buy the rumor, sell the news, kind of so to speak. So Trump became president, people sold off a bit, and there's just a lot of fear in the markets, right? We don't know if we're going to get more interest rate cuts this year, that sort of thing. So, yeah, like I mentioned here, guys, this is where you find how many cryptos are in existence. I actually had a viewer call me out on this a couple weeks ago, where I did a video and I was talking about overcrowding the market. And they said, when I did a Google search, it said there was only 11 to 12,000 different cryptocurrencies. But in reality, those are only the ones that are most likely still active, right? Some of them might have died off. Actually, quite a few of them probably died off. When you think of overall the amount of cryptocurrencies that are created every single day, there's a very, very, very large population of those that do not ever make it. So, as of right now, CoinMarketCap says there is just over 11 million, and yeah, so we can see that on this page. I'm going to just kind of take a quick look at the overall market today, sitting at about 3.18 trillion, up about 2% over the last 24 hours. Biggest gainers right now, a couple of altcoins in the AI sector. We've got Big Tensor Tau, FET is up there as well, just a very marginal increase. And we have a few others as well that are coming up. But, Bitcoin, like I said, is kind of wading water right now, sitting, it's been kind of back and forth between that 95, 96K and 100K, just kind of consolidating in that, going through the motions, so to speak. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens with the crypto market. It's fairly volatile right now, and in my opinion, is creating a lot of opportunity. Whether you choose to just wait it out, or if you look at it as an opportunity like I do, that's totally up to you. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Just giving you a quick update on this fine Sunday, letting you know what's going on. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get myself some stuff. I'm gonna try making some soup because I'm over 40 now and I like to eat like weird stuff. Like I like to make soup and meat and potatoes and all that weird ass stuff that old people like. So that's what I'm doing today on Sunday, and I'm going to spend the rest of it with my family once my boyfriend gets home from work. So hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.